If you're a musician looking for ways to make money from your tunes, you come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 different methods for monetizing your music online. Some of them may even surprise you. Let's get into it. Over the years, musicians have used several different methods to monetize their music. One artist even sold their music through a can of chicken soup. This is a real thing. They sold an actual can of soup for $19 that included a download code. These days, the simplest way to make money from your music is to sell it online, but even then you have some options. For this video, we're going to use songwriting as a metaphor for how to sell your music online. So not only am I going to walk you through the 5 different methods for selling your music, but we're actually going to make some music. How exciting! To kick our metaphor off, let's talk about the essentials. To write a song, you need at least some basic understanding of music, some kind of instrument, and the ability to write or compose. When it comes to selling your music, we're going to consider the following as essentials. You have music to sell. You own the rights to that music. You have an audience to sell your music to. If you haven't grown an audience yet for your music and you want me to make a video to show you how, comment below and let me know. Now that we have the essentials covered, let's start the process of writing our song. You can compose a song using a single instrument, and you can use any one of the methods in this video to make money from your music. There are some beautiful songs that feature only piano or only guitar, but in order for those songs to be interesting, the performance of those instruments has to be exceptional. When it comes to monetizing your music, your chances of making an income, especially in the beginning, are much better if you use multiple sources. I encourage you to consider how you can use the different methods in this video to diversify your income streams. So in the spirit of diversifying, I've got 5 different instruments I'm going to use to make our song. I've got some keys, an electric guitar, a bass guitar, some digital drums, and my voice. Now, where do I start? This is the part that I sometimes have trouble with. Do I noodle around on the guitar? Do I try to write down some lyrics? Trying to choose the best method for monetizing your music can feel the same way. Everyone approaches songwriting differently. It may feel more natural to start with the lyrics, or maybe you get inspiration playing through different piano riffs. As we go through the different methods for monetizing your music, consider which one would be the best fit for you and start with that. All right, we've got the essentials, we've chosen our instruments, now it's time to create. Method number 1, stream your music. To start our song off, I'm feeling some keys, so let me put something down. Yes, I like it. You can make money anytime someone streams your music through services like Apple, Amazon Music, Spotify, and many, many more. The easiest way to get your music distributed to these services is through a digital music distributor. Most distributors allow you to upload your songs and all of the song information like title, artist name, and release date. Then they send your songs to streaming services, collect royalties, and report your streaming statistics and earnings back to you. Let me tell you about a few distributors we recommend and some brief pros and cons for each. TuneCore. TuneCore distributes to 150 different streaming services. Artists pay a $9.99 distribution fee to add a single and $29.99 to add an album. In addition, artists pay a yearly account fee of $9.99 per single and $49.99 per album. TuneCore is one of the most expensive in terms of their flat fees, but they don't charge a commission fee, which means you keep 100% of the money you make from streaming services. TuneCore also has an app where you can manage your music and royalties, and they pay your royalties out every week. Amuse. Amuse distributes to 14 different streaming services. It's free to join and free to distribute your music with basic features. Amuse also does not collect a commission fee, but their distribution is narrower than other services. Also, it can take 2 to 3 months to receive payments from streaming, but if you're looking for a free option to start with, Amuse could be a great choice. CD Baby. CD Baby is the most established of the distributors. They distribute to more than 150 streaming services and charge a 9% commission on streaming sales. There's no annual fee, but you will pay a distribution fee of $9.95 per single and $29 per album. CD Baby also pays out royalties weekly, but unlike the previous 2 services, they do charge a commission on all streaming sales. LANDR. LANDR originally started out as an online music mastering service, which they still offer through their site, and more recently added distribution. They distribute to more than 75 streaming services and offer different plans and pricing depending on your needs. In their free plan, there's no annual fee, but they do charge a distribution fee of $9 per single and $29 per album with a 15% commission charge. Their unlimited plan is $89 per year and allows you unlimited song uploads with zero commission fees. LANDR is the most flexible of all the distributors and can work especially well if you write and publish a lot of music and use their unlimited plan. Method number 2, music licensing. Now let's move on to another instrument. You know what this song needs? That's right, some drums. I'm digging it. Music licensing basically means people or companies pay you to use your songs in their video or at their event, or in some cases sampled in their own music. Let me tell you about a couple of different ways you can license your music. Pro music licensing. Organizations like BMI and ASCAP keep a catalog of music that artists have licensed through their sites. Owners of bars, restaurants, gyms, and other venues pay a copyright fee so they can play music at their establishments. Those owners report their song usage to BMI or ASCAP, who then pay royalties to the song artist. These are both well-established licensing companies. Either could be a good option for you if you get requests to have your songs played at restaurants or gyms, or at special events like graduation ceremonies or weddings. Royalty-free music licensing. Epidemic Sound and Artlist are web-based services that pay artists to share their music through their royalty-free song libraries. Their customers pay a subscription for access to these libraries, and then they pay artists anytime one of their songs is downloaded. We use Artlist for the music on this channel, and for my personal YouTube channel, I use music and sound effects from Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound also distributes to more than 30 streaming platforms, including the major ones like Spotify and Apple Music, so it could be a great solution for you if you're wanting to combine streaming distribution and music licensing. Method number 3, digital downloads. That kick drum feels a bit lonely. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bass guitar. Are you feeling that? I'm feeling it. All right, back to digital downloads. If you've got a really enthusiastic audience, it might make more sense to sell your music to them directly. You can do that either through a third-party service or on your own website. First, I'll tell you about a couple of third-party services you can use to sell your music. Bandcamp. Bandcamp allows you to upload your music for free and then sell it at any price point. They then charge a 15% commission on any sales you make from downloads. They offer a beautiful streaming interface for listeners and real-time stats and streams on your downloads. You can also control how your music is sold, like offering preview-only tracks, free downloads, or lossless high-quality versions for the discerning listeners in your audience. Reverb Nation. Reverb Nation also allows you to upload your music for free and charges a 13% commission for each sale. They feature an artist profile page where listeners can stream your music, view your videos, and browse upcoming shows. They also offer a premium plan for $19.95 a month that includes a website and digital distribution to major streaming services. Third-party services like these can be great for discoverability and easy to use, but if you already have an established following, it might make more sense to sell them directly through your own website. Website providers like Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress all have the ability to integrate digital download sales, but if you're looking for a simpler solution, Podia might be a good fit. Our Mover plan is $39 per month and allows you to sell a variety of digital products, including digital downloads. We also provide built-in marketing tools like email lists and direct messaging. We charge 0 transaction fees, so you get to set your own prices and you keep all the money you make from sales. Uploading your music is easy. From your Podia dashboard, click Create and select Product. Then type in your album or single name, choose Digital Download, and click Create Product. Then drag and drop your album files. In the Details tab, you can change your product name and add product categories. Under Pricing, you can set your album price and also offer upsells. Once you're done, click the Publish dropdown and choose Publish. You can add album artwork and customize the appearance of your site on the Podia site editor. Just click your name dropdown and select Edit Site. Click the dropdown on the left and scroll down to click on your album title and load the product page. You can edit the appearance of this page by clicking on a section. A pop-out will appear on the left that allows you to edit the content and design of that specific section. Once you're done, click Publish and your changes will be live on your site. Method number 4, online memberships. We're going to fill this song out with a bit of electric guitar. Very nice. A great way to engage with your audience and sell them exclusive or early access to your music is through an online membership. In this video playlist, we provide some comparisons and information about different membership service providers. For now, we'll talk about Patreon and Podia as options for selling membership to your audience. Patreon allows you to upload and share content with your audience for free, and depending on which plan you choose, charges anywhere from 5 to 12% of your membership revenue. Their 8% commission plan allows you to add different membership tiers so you can give members varying levels of access based on how much they pay each month. Patreon can be a great place to start out, but if you have a large following with lots of supporters, the 5 to 12% commission fees can add up. At Podia, we offer membership for our Shaker plans. At $79 per month, the Shaker plan includes everything Podia has to offer, including digital downloads, webinars with Zoom support, email marketing, and direct messaging, all with 0 transaction fees. You can offer different plans through membership to give varying levels of access depending on how much your members pay. Whether you have 100 paying members or 10,000, you'll never pay additional fees. Your Podia membership dashboard makes it easy to share posts, manage comments, create different membership plans, link with Facebook or Slack groups, and more. Now it's time to bring it all together with our final method for monetizing your music online, webinars. For this last method, it's time to bring in the vocals. This whole time I've been talking, I've been subconsciously writing lyrics. It's true, and I've got the perfect lyrics for this tune.
Let's make music together. Let's write a song they'll be singing forever. And I can't think of anything better. Making sweet, sweet music with you.
Just lovely. But I'm going to pause the vocals for now because I have to tell you about how you can make money using webinars to live stream your music. As of this recording, in many places all over the world, it's not safe for people to gather because of the pandemic. Or you might just be the kind of person who would rather perform a concert from the comfort of your own home studio instead of in person. Either way, selling access to your webinar can be a great way to allow your audience to enjoy a live virtual performance of your music. In this video, we compared several different webinar platforms and shared pros and cons for each. Definitely check it out if you're looking for a webinar platform that fits your needs. If you're looking for a solution that lets you sell music as digital downloads, offer membership access to your music, and perform live for your audience with webinars, Podia has you covered. You can sell access to your webinar through Podia and integrate a live stream from YouTube or Zoom. Let me show you how to set it up. From your dashboard, click Create and select Product. Now enter a title for your webinar concert. Choose Webinar and click Create Product. On the next page, you'll enter your webinar information. If you're streaming your webinar through YouTube, paste your stream link. Or if you're using Zoom, follow the instructions to connect your Zoom account and select your scheduled stream. Below that, you can include instructions and choose whether or not you want reminders sent out to attendees. In the Details tab, you can edit the title, webinar URL, categories, and you can upload an image that will display if you link to your webinar on social media. In the Pricing tab, you can edit your price and offer upsells of other products. In the Availability tab, you can manage whether your webinar is available for sign-up or purchase, whether or not enrollment is open, and whether or not the webinar is visible on your site. Once you're done, click the Publish dropdown and choose Publish. Check out these videos for more in-depth instructions for setting up a Zoom or YouTube live stream. And that's it. If you've got an audience and songs to sell, start using one or more of these methods and you could be well on your way to earning an income from your music. And if you like the song we created, I left a link in the description where you can download it for free. We could go even more in depth on any of the methods I shared in this video, so if there's one that stood out to you, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful and you want more content like this, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be sure not to miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Dark clouds, clear skies, you and I will sing through it all.